Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yenis Kuryatul Fauzi. I'm from class B. Here I will present a poster and the title is Improving Students' Vocabulary Mastery Using Flashcards by Ferry Angga Widyastuti. The first is about the abstract. This paper discusses about improving students' vocabulary mastery using flashcards. The aims of the paper are to find out whether and to what extent the use of flashcards can improve students' vocabulary and to describe the strengths and the weakness of using flashcards to teach vocabulary. The writer conducted a classroom action research from February to June at the second grade of SDN Bulakan 2, Sukoharjo in the academic year 2011 and 2012. This research was conducted in 2 cycles and carried out in 4 steps, namely planning the action, implementation or action, observation, and reflection. The data of the research were collected by using qualitative and quantitative data collection technique. And the next is about introduction. Mastering English is not as easy as mastering our native language because English is completely different from Indonesian language, that is from the system of structure, pronunciation, and vocabulary. From those aspects, vocabulary is one of the aspects playing an important role in the 4 English language skills, namely listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Zimmerman defines vocabulary is central to language. It means that vocabulary is basic in language used to communicate with others, input first language or mother tongue, and foreign language. Teaching English vocabulary is not easy because they are very different from Indonesian vocabularies. The spelling and the pronunciation are very different. Based on the observation done to the second grade students of SD Negeri Bulakan 2, the problems faced by the students were caused from the students' classroom situation and the students themselves. And the next is about research method. The researcher used classroom action research as method in this research. The action research is a systematic research done by teachers, researchers, principals, school counselors, administrators, or other educational professionals to solve problems that have been identified in order to get better improvement. The model of action research used in this research is composed of cycle consisting of 4 steps, namely planning, action, observation, and reflection. The researcher collected the group of data by using qualitative and quantitative method during the process of action research. The next is about discussion. The implementation of using flashcards in teaching vocabulary could improve the students' ability. By using flashcards in teaching English, the students' motivation in learning English improved. It could be seen from the change of the students' behavior in the lesson. The students looked so happy when the teacher entered the class. They were very curious with the flashcards that the teacher brought. In the pre-test, the mean score was 56,5. In cycle 1, the mean score of post-test 1 was 77,1, while in cycle 2, the mean score of post-test 2 was 83,7. The improvement of the students' achievements indicates that the students' vocabulary mastery improved. The improvement of students' vocabulary mastery was in all vocabulary aspects, namely pronunciation, spelling, meaning, and word use. And the last is about conclusion and the suggestion. From the explanation above, the researcher concludes that although some weaknesses arise during the implementation of using flashcards, the strengths of using flashcards in teaching vocabulary give benefits more rather than the disadvantages. It is indicated from the improvement of the students' motivation and achievement. Based on the research findings, the researcher proposed some suggestions for the students and for the English teacher. For the students, they are expected to be more active and motivated in learning English. For the English teacher, they should enhance their ability in teaching English, especially teaching vocabulary. And that's all about my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.